Today, in the HICIA CSR Summit, we are focusing on volunteering to make a difference. First of all, let me see how many of you have volunteered any time for the social impact. A raise of hand, a show of hand. Well, almost 100%. That's really great. Oh, okay. Okay, so should I say 102% now? Okay. How does it feel to volunteer? Now I can ask you, how does it feel to volunteer? Pride? Happiness? It's very fulfilling? Yes, all of this. I salute the volunteers here. You reduce the gap between different stratas of society. You create cohesive society. Our volunteers are what really make lives meaningful, especially when it comes to disasters or natural disasters or sometimes even crisis situation like pandemic. It's the volunteers that we depend on. But this room is not the real representative sample of the world outside. If you look at the world outside, if you look at your communities, if you look at your organizations, how many people really volunteer? Any guesses? 10%, 30%, 5%? Okay, so we don't have recent stats, but one of the statistics which I observed from 2012 says that about 1.5% of people volunteer, only 1.5%. So the first challenge that we have in the IT industry is how do we encourage more people to volunteer? What does it take to bring more people into mainstream volunteering? So to understand what goes in the mind of the IT community, we did a dipstick survey. And the kind of concerns that came up where we don't really know where and how can we volunteer. We don't know whether we have right skills to go ahead and volunteer. And now considering all the work from home, people are asking, can I volunteer from home? So we thought it's important that first we bring the NGOs and the volunteers together on a platform. So that's the first step that HICIA took. A couple of months back, we launched HICIA CSR platform, where the NGOs, the organizations, and the volunteers are brought together. Already, on this platform, we have about 2,000 hours of volunteering done. 2,000 hours of volunteering done through this platform already. A big round of applause, please, because 2,000 hours of volunteering means a lot to many people. Lakhs of lives are actually transformed and are supported through this platform. I would like to thank Venkat from Synchrony. I would like to thank Mayur from Nirman. And I would also like to take this opportunity to thank Shiva from CTS and the whole of volunteering and technology team in HICIA CSR Forum who made this a reality. What does the platform entail? There are lots of you from NGO here. Let me tell you, for NGO, it's a golden solution to your problem of where do you get volunteers. Please register yourself on the platform. By end of this month, we will have a questionnaire ready, which NGOs can fill in and submit. We will be able to evaluate and then reach back to you. You can be partner with us for that platform, and your events can be hosted there. That's a great opportunity for NGOs. What about corporates? When corporate leaders like Paul are encouraging their organization volunteers, they require to know who are the volunteers, how much time are they spending, what are the kind of causes that the employees are volunteering for, and this report, systematic report, will be sent to the organizations every month. So there is something for the organizations there. What about the volunteers? There can't be anything better than this platform for volunteers. They can just search on, okay, which are the opportunities which I have in education, because I'm very passionate about education, and the volunteering opportunities for education will pop up. I don't want to step out, but I want to volunteer. What are the opportunities for volunteering from home? You can search on the platform and you'll get those opportunities. I have just few hours to spare, maybe say 2 hours in next weekend. Is there something coming up which I can go with my family and spend time, bonding with family as well as doing something for the society? You will find opportunities there. So this is a great platform that HYSEA has launched, but that is just one part of the story. There are still questions which the volunteers or the employees have about where do I volunteer, what exactly does it entail to volunteer, can I really do the balancing of work for office, work for home, and then work for society. Now there's a third aspect which is coming, can I really do it? So this kind of questions, how do we get them answered? That is the solution that we have in today's summit, where we have experts, we have people who have experience in volunteering, who will talk to you, who will share their views and experiences with you. I sincerely urge you to be very active during next few hours and ask questions, make it very interactive and meaningful for yourself and for the speakers. Your time is the most spacious gift that you can give. How do we make the time that you're giving for volunteering more impactful, and how can you increase the reach? That is what we are working on. Can we all come together? Can we unite to transform the society? Right now we have about 200 people, volunteers registered on the platform. Can we take this number to 1,000? Can we? I want to hear it from you. Can we take this number to 1,000? Can I bank on you to help me? And help HYSEA to get about 1,000 people registered on the platform. That is the goal that we have for next 1 year. And I'm banking on you to support me. So far, we've come by investing in ourselves. As we move forward, let's rise by helping others. Thank you.